What's the meaning of concord? Concord. Concord.
Concord. Concord. The word concord can have a few different meanings, but generally refers to a state of agreement or harmony between individuals, groups, or ideas. When there is concord, there is a sense of unity and cooperation, rather than conflict or disagreement. Achieving concord often requires compromise and negotiation, as different viewpoints or interests are brought into alignment. The result of concord is typically a more stable, peaceful, and productive environment, where people can work together towards shared goals without being hindered by interpersonal or ideological differences.